So smart. This is where we purchased our tickets from. It's literally on the right hand side of the yellow bridge, like the yellow bridges, just around there. We paid like 100k for both of us, and we got all our luggage here. And we're just waiting for the boat now to take us to Nusa Penida. Yeah. Our driver just crashed
into a train.
I was looking at it, my window's down, I was just watching it, I was like, we are going to hit that. The wind mirrors just come flying off. After a very stressful journey, we've just turned up at our hotel and there's not a single soul here, which is quite concerning, like there's no guests. But
like no
most
sign of
importantly, there's other chickens. There's not a single person that works here or anything. Don't know what to do. So we finally checked into our room. It's probably like, what, an hour and a half later now. And we have come, we're right near Diamond Beach, and we have come for some food, for some lunch. But there's 2 rats that just ran into the kitchen. So we'll see if I do get chicken or if I get rats. But yeah, as I was saying, there are 2 rats that went into the kitchen, so that's not too great. Texas food, he's got chicken salad. How is it?
Rat tail. Sure.
Now I got a chicken schnitzel. We've finally made it to the beach. Feels like we left ages ago. Round 2? Round 2? Dogs and the monkeys are fighting. I don't think you're going to be able to see anything, but you can definitely hear it.
See a monkeys up there.
No, I can't see it.
There's like one there, a couple up there.
You can't see it. They're all down here.
Like there.
Oh yeah, I can see one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's some in the trees there. The little baby one on the tree up there.
Yeah, I see. Now the hike up. If you come to Bali, be prepared to have to hike every time you go up. Like every time you go to a beach, be prepared to hike up and down because it's crazy. The monkeys are up here.
Run down. Hey!
Go quick. I feel like this, where it's curved, it's just so hard to maintain out here, and it's just so nutty all the time. So yeah, just done little plats for tonight. We're just gonna go out for dinner. I think the place we're going to is like half an hour away, which is kind of far. Here is our starter. Just cheesy bread, no garlic. Obviously got carbonara again over here. This has got fish, it's so good. we're driving back from dinner and there is lightning, like honestly non-stop. Let's see if we can catch the lightning on camera. Damn, I got that one, that lit up the phone.
Shit, damn. I don't think they get this a lot.
We are back in the room, dinner was nice.
Yeah, I had mahi mahi, which is like the fish they have in Indonesia all the time. And I'm not really a fish person, like, I don't even really like salmon that much, do I?
It was really good.
It was like, wasn't that fishy, it was white, which I was surprised by.
I thought it was quite fishy.
I didn't think it was, I thought it was quite like meaty in like texture.
It looked meaty.
Like it was more like chicken than fish, like in texture I'd say. Like, no, you know, like if you have cod, it like flakes.
It fell apart in your mouth.
Fell apart, but it was quite like,
it was
I don't know how, but it was like
really
meaty,
wet,
I
and
thought.
yeah, it was really nice. I had carbonara. It wasn't the best carbonara, but I mean, I have carbonara all the time, so I'm quite hard.
Yeah, hard to please
when it comes to carbonara.
She's like a carbonara
tester and taster.
connoisseur.
Taster and tester.
Connoisseur.
Yeah, something like that.
No, connoisseur.
Yeah. But we're back now. The fun days, honestly.
It's unreal.
Obviously, it stopped when I started
The
filming.
people that work here, I say
scared.
work here, like the young people that were helping, were cacking themselves, weren't they?
Yeah, like they were running.
Like,
they were
every time it happened.
And they're not that young. Like,
Like,
he
bear
said
in
young
mind,
people, they're older. Well, one of them's probably a bit younger than us, but the other one was definitely older.
Like probably 24.
Yeah.
And he was like
25,
running and hiding
yeah.
every time it happened.
Like, and not being funny, I've never heard thunder this loud. Like, we've got in our room. And
The room shook, didn't it?
Yeah, it was literally. It sounds like it's on top of us. You probably, like, obviously.
We were driving up the
but
hill.
It's probably not that bad. And it started to rain.
And it felt like we were driving into like.
I thought we were going to get struck by
into
lightning.
the sky,
Yeah.
Into exactly where it was. Like,
yeah, it's pretty bad. So that's happened today. I got bit by a dog, but it didn't piss the skin. It was just. I thought
piss the skin. It sounded like piss skin.
But I thought, not gonna lie, I thought it was his claws, but it said it was his teeth.
It was. She did get bitten. It was like a smaller dog. It was like I'd say it was young as well. Like not puppy.
Yeah. You might have seen
like,
it, to be fair. I might have got it on
like,
video.
It wasn't a puppy, was it? Like
Maybe like a couple years old.
No, I don't think it was a couple years, but maybe like a year old, 18 months.
But yeah, and also what else happened? Something else happened.
Our
driver crashed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, our driver crashed and then nearly tipped us off the side of a cliff because he was reversing back, went to go into first gear, didn't have his foot on clutch properly and rolled back. And we were on the edge of a cliff and we were both just sat there like mortified, like we're going to die. Other than that, it's been quite a nice day.
So if we don't get killed by the lightning or thunder, then
you'll see us tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to have a good day. We're going to do, what is it tomorrow, west side?
That's what the Americans are saying.
The Americans are
well, all the Americans, there's two of them.
We think it's west side, so we're going to go to like the T-Rex point, we're going to go to
Broken Beach, all that kind of Manta Bay.
The Crystal Place. But for now, we're playing cards, and I'm going to end this clip here because it's 3 minutes long. Good morning, it is the next day and we are getting ready to have a big day ahead of us. We're going to go to the T-Rex point, Broken Beach, can't remember where else. We've got a list of things that we're going to do, but first off is breakfast. We're just getting all the drone and GoPro and everything sorted so we can actually film some fun stuff, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yay! Yeah, we're going to go to breakfast, which is about, 30 minutes away?
Yeah,
30 minutes away. And we're going to go to a place called Secret Penida. We have come to Secret Penida for some breakfast. How cute. These are pancakes.
very
That is
good.
really nice.
I think I'd like that.
I've got some healthy pancake things. We have got pretty wet on the drive here, but we're at Crystal Bay now, and yeah, pretty much chucked it down in the last like what 5-10 minutes of the journey. This is Crystal Bay. Oh damn, a lot of stray dogs. It looks very similar to where I went yesterday. Down a very steep hill trying to get to Broken Beach and Angel Billabong. We're not really sure which beach is which, I'll be honest. So it's hard to walk down. Walked round to Angel's Billabong, and it's basically like this infinity pool in the sea, which is pretty cool. Oh, look how nice it is down there, like water comes and everything. I think like Broken Beach further around there maybe. Does look nice. Now we are at Broken Beach. How stunning is this water? So we were just over there in the last clip you saw, and we are now on the other side. We're going to walk over like the broken bridge bit. Yeah, like where the big whole thing was. We're going to walk over the top of that.
I reckon they could have come up with a better name for it.
What, Broken Beach?
It's not really a beach, it's
No,
it is, but...
you can't get down there. Like, I don't think there's any way of getting down there. But the sun has made an appearance. Still a little bit cloudy, but I can deal with cloud.
The sun is
I think it just needed to rain to then pass. Kelingking cliff bit, like where the T-Rex is. Look how busy it is. Yeah, still very busy. I don't think we're going to get a photo of a T-Rex without a soul on it. Like all the photos look like, because yeah, it's very crowded. I'd say if you come here, definitely come early in the morning, like very early, if you want to get a good photo of something. We've got a punctured tyre. Oh, where is it then? You see that? Yeah, punctured tyre, and we're a 2-hour walk away from where we need to get. So we don't really know what to do at this point. There's like nothing around here at all. So someone dropped us to this like mechanic place, and they're sorting out the tyre. As I was getting off the bike, I burnt my leg, and they put oil on it. So I've got oil dripping all down my leg on my burn. Great. It hasn't helped, it still burns. We are off out on our bike with the brand new wheel. It's not even a new wheel, I think it's like they just replaced the inside bit or something, the inner tubing. Went to a pharmacy, got some ointment, whatever. Got some cream for my burn.
I'd say more of a gel.
A gel, sorry. Got a gel for my burn. It's fine now. Like, just need to make sure it doesn't get infected or anything. But yeah, it doesn't hurt or anything. Not that anyone cares. I will be, thank
at least 2 weeks.
Well, it's definitely gonna scar. I'm saying that now, it will scar. But yeah, we're heading out to dinner and we're gonna try and watch sunset, but I don't think the sun's not out, 2, I don't think the sun sets properly like where we're going. Like I think the sun sets behind or to the side or something. We've come to the chill for dinner and drinks and to try and watch sunset. Look at the sign. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guy even parked on motorbike. So we have come and sat down. The sky still looks really pretty, but we're not going to eat here. We're going to go to the place we went to for breakfast, we think. So
Dinner looked banging there.
Dinner menu was really good. Breakfast was bang average. My pancakes were weird, so weird, but dinner menu looks really good. So we're going to go back there for dinner. So I got smoothies. Oh, he has got an M haircut. Of the M thing. Oh. Yeah, I just got a mixed berry smoothie because I'm trying to be a bit healthier. It's got bintang. I'll show you my burn as well now. Okay, so, sorry, Dexter wanted me to show the sunset. And it's just, yeah, it's round the corner, so like it's not in the right place, but still looks really nice. We think that's like Mount Victoria and then like behind the clouds, and then that's a Mount whatever next to Mount Victoria. Here is the burn. I've got like the cream that we bought earlier in it, and we're going to try and get some bandage just to like keep it clean. Bandage. Yeah. I'm just going to say I requested this song, bit of Ed Sheeran 80. There are other people in it, by the way, it looks like them too. The world's a nice discovery to us, 'cause we just under your hand. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. It is the next morning, but I'm going to end this vlog here because today we're actually off to a Gili Island, so it'll be a new vlog. But thank you for watching.